In this video, I'm going to show you how to start a faceless YouTube channel in 2026. If you think you can just repost clips, add AI voice, and get monetized easily, that's not true anymore. So in this video, I'll show you what actually works for faceless channels in 2026 and what gets people demonetized, and a realistic step-by-step setup that you can start today. So the first thing that you'll need to do is basically pick a faceless niche that still works. Because not all faceless niches works anymore. Some are high risk for demonetization, like re-uploading some movie clips or maybe some TikTok/Reddit stories compilation with zero changes, or maybe some low effort AI slideshow videos, or maybe some motivational videos using stolen speeches. These can still get views, but monetization will be unreliable. So the safer approach that you should go, or the safer like faceless niches in 2026, will be basically something like this video, a tutorial, maybe about a software, an AI tool, a business tool, or just explaining something. Also, what still works, documentaries with original scripts, educational explainers, finance basics, as an example, any financial or business maybe advices, but original content only. Also, some products like breakdown and comparisons as well, and maybe some tech and AI walkthroughs. So the rule is simple. If the content teaches something or explains something originally, it's safer. So you can pick one niche and do not mix niches, because this will ruin your channel. So the next step basically will be the content type. First of all, faceless does not mean low effort. Faceless means just no camera, but still original structure, script, and also visuals. So your video needs to be at least 2 or 3 of these. It should have either original script or original voice, or maybe some heavily customized AI voice, or maybe some original visuals or meaningful editing. So you'll need to have 2 of these, or maybe 3. So if you miss all 3, monetization will fail, and you will not be able to work around it. So basically, a good faceless format will be a screen recording, maybe stock footage plus original narration, maybe some slides, maybe some diagrams with explanation, and maybe some tool walkthroughs as well, which is the best option. So if you're lazy about visuals, you can start with tutorials like this one. And of course, you can start now by going to the script writing. This is where most fail. It's your script decide everything. A bad script will mean no retention and will mean also no money. So the simple structure that works will be basically a hook, which is going to be the first 5 to 10 seconds, and a clear promise, step-by-step delivery, short recap, and a CTA at the end. There is an important rule. AI written scripts must be edited by you. You should not take the scripts that's provided by AI and keep reading it to the viewer as it is. So if you upload some AI like raw scripts, the viewer or viewers will drop fast, and YouTube will detect low engagement, and the channel will keep dying slowly. So use AI to assist, not to replace the thinking. Now you can get into the voice. You can use either to have it by human or by AI. Let's be honest about AI voices. AI voice is loud, but bad AI voice kills the retention. So if you use AI, make sure to adjust the pacing, change the tone like per section, and avoid the robotic defaults. The best use cases will be for calm tutorials, for explainers, for tech walkthroughs. And if your niche needs emotions like storytelling or drama, AI voice is still weaker than the real human voice. You can, of course, do some workarounds like record your own voice, then, or maybe do some heavily edited AI voice plus pauses plus emphasis and a lot of things. But there's no magic AI voice yet that can make you the greatest video. So now you can get into the editing. You can keep it simple or you will lose. You'll just need to do some simple cuts. You don't need to do the crazy edits or something like that. You do need some visual change, maybe as an example, every 3 to 5 seconds. Not like this. I'm showing you just like the YouTube video here. And it should not be like this one. Make sure to add some zooms, some maybe highlights or cursor movements as well. On-screen text for key points might be needed as well. And make sure to avoid any static images for minutes or no movement or repeating the same clip. Like At the beginning of this video, I'm still standing at the same screen, and this is bad. You should not do something like that. So simple tools for editing will be like CapCut. If you have the Windows, there's the Clip Champ, and a lot of tools that you can use for free for simple editing. Now let's get into the most important part, which is the monetization reality check. Let's kill basically the biggest lie. Faceless will not mean easy money, and it will not mean like passive income fast. The reality from the first 3 months, it's basically will be for you a learning phase. If you are still a beginner, you will be learning. You will not be making two figures or I don't know how much money for the first 3 months. You'll be learning. Then after that, the first 6 months, after those 3 months, so the next three, it will be basically some first traction. Maybe if consistent, because consistency is the key. Some people start, an example, a YouTube channel like that, click on create, upload a video, but they are not consistent. They basically upload one video and that's it. They disappear because they started the Faceless channel, but just with motivation. They're not consistent. So basically, just try here to upload a video. I'll just upload a random video, and it doesn't matter what video because I'm just showing you some important stuff about this, like the title, description, thumbnail, and stuff. We'll have to go through this because this is very important. First of all, we'll have to start by the title. It should be just clear benefits. Maybe you can do some curiosity, but don't make any clickbait tutorials. Let's just do an example. Do not have a title like make money online. This is not a good title for to have as a YouTube video. You can do something like, oh, this Faceless, as an example, channel makes, I don't know, an X amount of dollars per month or per week, whatever you want. Then you'll have to add the thumbnail. Thumbnail should have just one idea or some big readable text if you're going to add any, and maybe some stroke contrast as well. And of course, the description is required as well, or it's not required, but it's advisable. It should basically explain the video or maybe add some keywords naturally. And yeah, what I said, again, consistency is always the key. Make sure to start by doing two to three videos per week minimum, and it should have same topic and same format. Do not keep changing formats from one video to another because this will not let you learn properly, and it will make it hard for YouTube to decide whatever you're doing. So you may get less presence in YouTube. And basically, that's what you should keep in mind to create a YouTube Faceless channel. So what you'll have to do is basically focus on one niche, make sure to do original scripts, useful content, and clean visuals. So if you want a shortcut, this won't work for you. And if you want a real channel, it will. Of course, make sure to also comply with anything that YouTube said. So you can avoid deleting, as example, your channel or demonetizing your channel. So wherever you post videos, if you're demonetized, you're not gonna get anything. So yeah, I guess I covered most of the details about this. It's important for you to keep in mind that consistency is always the key. Even if your videos are bad, you will get better and better every single video. Even if you do just one a week, but keep consistent or stay consistent. Do not do or set at least a minimum videos for you. At least do, as an example, one video per week. If you add more, that's good, but do not go less than that. So I guess I covered everything that should be covered here. I hope this video, you like it, or I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.